Okay, so it is the morning of, well, it's the morning before Slammedenuff. I'm getting in the car right now. I've got all my stuff packed. I'm going to go to class, and then, well, I'm going to first go wash my car, detail, get it ceramic coated and everything so the rain doesn't mess it up too bad on the way down. And then we're going to go down to Slammedenuff. We're going to meet up Logan in Dallas, and then we're going to head straight down. So, let's get to it. What the hell? I think I got water in my intakes. We just left IKEA. We met up with Logan. We had some mid-ass glicks. IKEA glicks suck. They don't even got meatballs anymore. That being said, look at the whips though.
The glicks were room temp at best. They were cold as shit.
Buns were dry.
Okay.
Don't go to IKEA. Ain't worth it no more.
Don't buy glicks from IKEA.
That being said, look at the whips though. We going to Houston, baby. So are we fucking with IKEA or what?
Man, fuck the Swedes.
Okay, so we are on the highway headed down to Houston. It's been a nightmare getting through Dallas. We are making it. Logan's in front of me. We're hauling ass. Yeah, Dallas is a nightmare. Don't drive through Dallas if you can avoid it. People are stupid. But we're making it now. Smooth sailing. Just by the way, I am cruising right now at a solid like 190. This would usually be like a 230 temperature drive, and we are chilling at 190. This oil cooler is amazing. I don't think it made it into the video because I didn't upload the second part of the TX2K adventure. But this is, if you have been to TX2K, you know this is the Buc-ee's. We are back again. It's been a while. Does it look familiar, buddy?
Same gas station. Saw a monster truck right there.
We did see a monster truck right there, and we parked right there. It's like TX2K all over. Ooh. Second Buckers of the trip. We're in Madisonville. How we feeling?
I gotta take a piss.
Me too. So, I got rear-ended by a lady, and yeah, I think the car is totaled. I'm gonna go to the doctor and get checked out. So, I'm here at the end of the video while editing, and I'm gonna give a quick story about what happened to the Z. So, we were coming to a stop in traffic. We were all locked in. I completely put everything away, and traffic started slowing down pretty quickly. So Logan got on his brakes, I got on my brakes because someone in front of him was slowing down really fast. Got going pretty slow. I mean, traffic was coming almost to a stop, so we went from like 70 to probably 10 miles an hour would have been, and really fast. And as I'm hitting my brakes, I get down to probably 20 miles an hour, maybe 10, and boom, there is a girl smacked into me, probably 60 miles an hour. And I don't know how the car is looking, but hopefully it's good. We'll find out by the time I'm already home. But It's stuck in Houston for now. Please don't steal my car. That's about it. Us in spirit. And then where we should be.
Oh yeah, they are Ford Stars. They're the same wheels that C7Z06 had.
Yeah, they're really good wheels. He has the Nismo tail, headlights too. I really like this kid. This is a kid I want. I haven't seen it in person. Yeah, that's something I'm sad about, but I can sell them for like $800. So, well, I guess I can't sell anything anymore. We're here. We made it. If you couldn't tell, car's down. Looking at the video I took last night of the underbody, it's not looking good, but we are here and we're gonna enjoy the event. Damn, working motions. The red caps go crazy. Damn, Morimoto tails. Oh, damn, a dual exhaust. Wow, that's really crazy. That's what he was talking about. Stan Superleggero is kind of crazy. What a setup. What a setup. Color combo of all time, and it's just great. Is real? No. Contes, but still, the Blitz 03 design goes crazy. The vinyl prog car. This served. We completely ignored this car, even though it was the first thing we saw.
Had a name Excelsior or Sword.
All the front wheel drives, all in one little spot. Aero covers, man. That's fly.
Oh, borrows.
Are those actual or are they redone, you think?
I have to imagine. No, they're actual. Look at the bolsters.
Oh shit, yeah, that's original. Wow, that is crazy. That is a really good interior. That's kind of freaky, but... Got the board deck.
Dude, basically, this is just in 1500 sedan.
I have an idea. Let's weld the tow hitch on one. Got a front. That doesn't even look bad. I mean, I know the obvious, but like, that's a decent car.
I'm gonna...
I swear my life is going. beautiful Firebird, and then a convertible Z32.
Brother, like Shelby, right there. Could have been in the show.
That's a beautiful
There's
Shelby
a Roush
too.
KR.
Wow. All of these things. I mean, this is just super cool. I've never seen one of these in person before. Beautiful. And unfortunately, though it looks like a 2018 Camry, could have made it in the show very easily. See imperfections. That thing is completely, I mean, it's better than some of the stuff that was in there. There was not much to say about the event. There was a lot of cool stuff in there, but there was like very select few that felt like they shouldn't have been there. There was like a Sonata that was just wrapped on really weak spec reps.
There was a rattle canned Accord.
There was a rattle canned Accord. Like completely just rattle canned.
There was a bone stock Toyota Corolla on whatever wheels. They were out of hands.
Yeah, and two-tone wrapped. It was damn near stock ride height. I mean, there was some things in there that were really rough, but other than that, I mean, the show was great. The people were great. It was an amazing event. I mean, really well set together, and I mean, despite it being not Gatlinburg, it was a pretty big show with a lot of cool stuff in it. But
yeah, I don't have much besides there was just some questionable things in there.
Pick up some grub. 15 whole smackers. We got like 9 burritos in this bitch. Dude's over there Aura farming. All right, so the Slammed experience was pretty solid, honestly. The show was great. The venue was awesome. They were gonna have it in Conroe originally, and they moved it to the NRG Center, which was huge. Very nice venue. All things considered, really good. A lot of cool cars, a lot of cool people. Yeah, I'm glad to have gone. Kind of wish I hadn't, given the Z situation, but we'll bounce back. We'll bounce back better. I don't know if I'll be in a different car. I don't know if it'll end up being an upgrade or a downgrade. I don't know if I'll get my car back. Looking at the video, I could see the trunk pan was folded a little bit, had a little bit of a wrinkle in it. I don't know if the frame's okay. Of course, we're gonna have to find out Monday, but we leave Monday morning, probably before the sun's even up, trying to avoid traffic. So I don't know how it's gonna work out. I don't know how it's gonna go. But yeah, Slammedenuff was an awesome experience. Great to have. Hopefully we'll go to a bigger, better one next year. And I recommend it. Maybe not the one in Houston because it's Houston. And this will be my first and last time here. So thanks, Houston.